Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you legally have a DRM-free copy of the YouTube music track you want. You cannot set a streamed DRM copy as a ringtone, so purchase or export a personal MP3 or use a track you already own. Once you have that file on your computer or cloud, install a file manager or ringtone app on your phone. Make sure you enable storage permissions. This lets you move the file into the correct system folder in the next step. Now transfer the MP3 to your phone and place it where Android expects ringtones. Use USB or cloud to move the file into the ringtones folder, or open Settings, Sound Phone Ringtone, add ringtone to import it. If the song is long, open a ringtone editor app and trim the exact 20-30 second segment you want. Short ringtones are more reliable. Once trimmed and saved, double-check the file name and permissions so the system can read and list it. Finally, go to Settings, Sound Phone Ringtone and choose your newly added file. You'll hear a preview when selected. If you prefer, open Contacts, edit a contact, and assign a custom ringtone per person. Once done, test by calling your phone from another line. If the ringtone doesn't appear, make sure the file is MP3 or AAC, stored in the ringtones folder, and that the app has storage permission. If problems persist, reboot the phone and rescan media, so the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.